So for my graph, I have a news article here of the top 10 professional sports teams' values in 2017 based on some Forbes data published by MarketWatch, and I have already entered it into my spreadsheet here, and I have everything in neat columns. I think that this will suit a column chart, and you'll be able to see how things compare. So I will left click and hold down on the left mouse button as I select one column, and then either with a Mac hit the command holding down on the command button, or for Windows the control button, select the other one, and I can choose what type of chart. I go to the chart ribbon and I can choose line chart or pie, but I will go with column here, and I will just go with a 3D column chart. Now to make things a little bigger, I'm going to right click on this whole area and I will move it to its own spreadsheet to make things bigger. And so I have everything here, and what I'm going to do is, since I just have one item, I don't need a legend. I'm going to delete that legend. Give me more room. But what I would like is I would like a title. So I will go to chart layout and insert a title. Also, when you're working on your chart, you can go up here and you can select a quick chart layout that suits what you are looking for. So I'll go to chart layout, title above chart, and I will enter it here. And just to make sure people know that it's American dollars, I'll put that in there as well. So, you can here adjust the formatting. You can do a couple of things. Right click on it and select format text, and you can change your font size to whatever it is that you would like. You can also select part of it. For example, the top part. Go to your layout window, your home window I mean, and increase the size of one line of the title, or possibly change the color. And you can also under format add things like a shadow or a reflection or other text fill issues. So I don't want this to go from 0 to 5 billion. I just really want to focus on the top part to make the scale a little easier to read. I'm going to right click on the axis, and I'm going to change the scale. So my minimum is actually going to be 2.5 billion. And for my major units, I'm just going to make it be 500 million, and that should display a little better. And I can click OK, and now it's just showing me the top part again for this. So I can use my menu bar to change the anything about the text and customize it the way that I would like. It's totally up to you what style of formatting you would like, and again, it's important to be readable, so I'm just going to increase the font size a little bit just so it's clear, and you can sort of do whatever you'd like here. So I'm going to I said to customize the colors of the charts. So another way you can do that is under charts, pick a different scheme. Now that will reset your themes if you choose one of the prepaid designed schemes. I'm just going to undo that using Control Z, or you can select one color and just change it one chart at a time, which I kind of like because it can sort of uses the team colors in a way that make customizable and a little more unique. So I'm just going to use sort of the team colors here, and it does the 3D shading for me. Figures all of that out. Just going down each team, I'll pick a slightly different color for all of them so that they stand out. Notice so that people know where the material came from. I'm going to insert a picture from a file, just put in the MarketWatch logo. Shrink it down in size. And crop it a little so that it fits. Sometimes you do have to just use the Control-Z button to reset things. And lastly, to save it as a picture, I right-click, Save As, and then I can just save it next to my Exemplar as a chart. Remember to put my name in the file name. And there it is, a screencast on how to create a chart using Excel.